Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Acts of Meaning. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if I do that, thank you for doing that. And if you have not on your notification bell, just try to do that, so anytime I upload a new video you're going to see that first. So today DIY is all about how to make a bridal and fan. So let's get started. So our material I needed for this few material I'm going to use. This is all my materials. Just look at it. That's my flower brooch. I'm going to have my belts, my feathers, my doll face. This is doll face, the thick doll face. This is my mat and fan. I'm going to need my scissors, my 6,000 glue. Just see, you can use a 6,000 glue or you can use the hot glue. What I did here, just see what I did. The first thing I did there is I put in the hand fan inside the doll face. Then I cut it out and I'm going to use to cover it just like this. It's very easy. You cover it. You cover that part. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. Just follow the step I'm doing, then use your hand to press it. You use the hot glue. See what I'm doing. And the next I'm going to be doing, I'm going to cover the second part. You make sure you fold it very well. And this is the second one. You cut it out just like that. You cut the shape out. Then you cover it, the front and the back. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You add your hot glue to it. Just the way I'm doing it. Add your hot glue around your bridal and fan. Just see what I'm doing. So you just press the way I'm doing it. It's very easy. Just keep doing that. Make sure you fold it neatly so that it's going to come out beautiful. Just see what I'm doing. You press and you fold. Use your hand to fold. Use your hand to fold. Just look what I'm doing. It's very easy. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm still going to add my hot glue to cover that part. I'll make sure the folding is neat. See what I'm doing. The next I'll be doing is I'm going to cover the handle. You cover the handle with your fabric. The name of my fabric is doll face. I make use of doll face. Then you wrap it. You wrap it. You cover that part. Just see what I'm doing. You wrap it till you get to the last edge. Just keep wrapping. You're driving me crazy, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. So you keep arranging your feathers just the way I'm doing it. You arrange your feathers. This is the easy part for you to manage your feathers. Sorry, this is the easy part for you to manage your feathers. Just look at it, and it's very full. Just the first part, and the second part is covered with doll face. The second part will be doll face, while the first part will be feathers part. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover that part. Just see what I'm doing. This is very easy to do. Just see what I'm doing. Just take a look at what I'm doing.